Do you want to know how you can chat with Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can chat with the bot of Starry AI and ask for help. Go ahead and open starryai.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now go ahead and click on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand corner, and click contact support. In a while you can see that this message will pop up. You can see the messages over here. Click on messages and you can click ask a question. Now you can ask any kind of questions to Starry AI. Let's go ahead and start a conversation. In a while you can see that the AI bot will tell you something. It might not be quite useful at times, but you can click ask a question again and you can ask questions like accidental image deletion. You can see that it will operate quite easily and it will reply to you in a while. I hope this video about how you can chat with the Starry AI bot was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.